Hello, today I'm going to tell you about this Fosi Audio HT4S multi-channel Bluetooth amplifier, which is currently available for under $150. The first thing that makes it different from all the other Bluetooth amps is the many power output channels. This amp has the ability to use simultaneously 5 passive speakers and 2 active speakers or 1 active sub using the pre-out 3.5mm output. In addition to this, there is the option to switch one of the power output channels for center speaker or subwoofer out. This extra is great if you like to use bass shaker drivers in your system, because then you don't need to buy a separate amp for the bass shaker. Of course, the remote is also included, unfortunately without batteries. The amplifier can not only be used with Bluetooth audio, but it's also possible to connect to the optical toslink audio, which comes in handy when connecting to a games console or TV. In addition, it also has an aux 3.5mm input. The amp is housed in a sleek metal cabinet with solid metal knobs that adjust bass, treble, main volume, and sub-output level. The main volume knob also turns the amp on, off, and change input modes. Amplifier's full feature and spec information is in the video description. If you have any questions about this lovely amp, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, let's turn on the background music and full detailed unboxing.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us. And now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing's enough. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. Take it easy. To forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. Take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.